Well guys, quick update. I've got my wiring loom out on the desk. Give it a clean up the connections, clear up the loom, get rid of the dirt. And there's a couple of breaks in the wiring which I need to sort out. Like on here. And just give it a general clean up to make it look nice on the bike. Okay, so I'm going to repair this bit here because I use this to plough on my ignition line for the accessories, because I was going somewhere else, but don't need them. There we go, nice and clean now. And back to black. So I'll put that back on the bike. And put it back on the bike, we need to put the front fairing stay back on. Okay, one wiring loom. Bike. To front of the bike.